Hello. I was just going to give you a little bit of background knowledge about me, your instructor. Give me a minute to start my PowerPoint here from the beginning. Okay, so we are in a Foundations of College Algebra, and our goal is to get you ready to take college algebra. And I'd really like for you to take college algebra next semester, okay? When you pass this one this semester, we need to be taking college algebra next semester. That way you don't forget everything that you worked so hard to learn this semester. Okay, so take those back to back. You might even consider a summer term if we're offering it during summer. Okay, so Foundations of College Algebra. But like I said, a little bit of background knowledge about me. I have a bachelor's in math from Lyon College. I have a master's in math ed from UCA. And I taught a couple of years at high school, but decided that that was not for me. There was too much discipline, not enough teaching. So this is my 11th year at BRTC, and I love it. This is my dream job. I teach a lot of different maths, foundations of college algebra. I teach college algebra. I teach math for nurses. I teach some of the math for teachers as well. So I've taught a lot of it through the years here, but this is my dream job. I love it here. I wanted to introduce you to my family. I am married to Jeremy Stout. He is the football coach, athletic director up in Doniphan, Missouri. And we have 3 little girls. Caroline in the blue there is 7. Emma in the middle is 3. And Haley is 5 years old. So they keep us hopping a lot. We enjoy every minute we get with them, but we are always so grateful that it is bedtime at night. So I wanted to just say that, in the evenings, they're my priority, okay? I do have office hours during the school day. Monday and Wednesday, I have several classes, so I'm going to be kind of hard to reach. You could email me, though, and maybe I can respond back quickly between classes. But Tuesday and Thursday, I have a lot of office hours, and I'm going to be on the Paragould campus Monday and Tuesday this semester, and I'm going to be on the Pocahontas campus Wednesday and Thursday. So if you need to hunt me down for something, like I said, Tuesday and Thursday is going to be your best bet, but we can absolutely correspond through email. If you wanted to set up a personal one-on-one Zoom meeting, if you're just not catching something, that's fine too, okay? Let me know what I can help with. But when evening hits, these girls need my attention. Now, bedtime is 8 o'clock. So I usually try to, check in on my emails after they go to bed, make sure nobody needs anything before the next work day. Okay, so if you do struggle with something, send me an email, but just realize that I'm not going to get to it until they go to bed. And if it's been a bad day, I may not get to it till tomorrow, but I will try to check in the evenings and stuff like that. I can't check Moodle messages on my phone. So if you Moodle message me, it's fine. I just won't be able to respond back until I get into my computer again, which is sometimes a little longer. But email I respond back to pretty quickly because, like I said, it goes to my phone. Just a fun fact. I am 6 foot tall, and I am the short one in my family. So I wanted to show you our family picture we took this fall. My husband is 6'2". My mom, standing next to me there, is 6'3". And my younger brothers are 6'5" and 6'10". So at 6 foot, it doesn't get me anything in my family. I was always the short one that had to ride in the back of the car. And the boys make fun of me that I'm the short one, but I've got my sister-in-law's beat, so we're all good. Okay, thank you.